Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello friends. Now welcome to the part 3. Okay, now I want to show you how to perform ANOVA factorial and ANOVA or so-called two-way ANOVA. Two-way ANOVA means it has two independent, at least, independent variables. Are their results are significantly different to the result to these results, the dependent variables. These one are different dependent variables, but just choose one for each one test ANOVA. Okay, one test of two-way ANOVA. Okay, now let me sorry. First, you go to analyze and then go to this one. Okay, this univariate. Univariate means many variants. Okay, no. Oh, sorry. Univariate means less variance between the results. Each results produced. So okay, now what you can do, you can just follow what are the steps I show you here, and then you will then have the output, okay, given out. Okay, now the dependent variable should be you choose here the color, the perception, the consumer's perception, the color, the odor, the texture. So in this case I choose color based on our report. Color, okay, color, okay, enter here. And then the fixed factor, the dependent variables, as I said, it is at least 2. So here the gender and also the age, put it here. Okay, so then you go to here, this one, don't touch anything, just put it like as it is, unless if you have some of your data has some missing blank data, so you just put it this one, type 4. But as our data are complete, no blank, so I just put type 3, no worries. And then you go to plots here. You actually want to see actually, right, the combination of this one to the, are they significantly different, but our data actually only recruit 15 participants, so it is very difficult to have a significant results actually, because of this very small number of participants. So I suggest if you recruit more number of participants, more than 30, then it is much reliable, okay. But now it's just for study, I just add in, okay. Gender, okay, this one, if you want to see if this combination have significantly different to the dependent variable. One. I also want to check if it is individually. Individually means, so I'm doing here is one way ANOVA. This one can be. All right, continue. And then post hoc. I don't think post hoc usually, if you have more number of participants, more than this 115, but we can just go have a look how it is, and then go to, I think, to key, continue, and then option, comparement effect. Then this one, make sure descriptive statistic. If you want to see to read any descriptive statistics, and this one significant level, you can adjust, but here the significant level is 0.05. So this one, how to read actually? What is actually this mean significance level? Well, first, the any if you want to know about significant difference, like I've said, right? Are these independent variables, their results, are they significantly different to this dependent variable? Are the actually they are different, right? The results, are they significant actually? Significant mean it has meaning. It is meant to be something. There is there is actually a meaning behind this. So that is the meaning of significant different. But for this significance level, it is actually representing the probability of null hypothesis to happen. Null hypothesis, it is actually the hypothesis that reject your significance difference. Null hypothesis means, like, if you said this male has it has significant difference to this result, the dependent variable. So null hypothesis said no, it has no significant difference at all. Null hypothesis always rejects any significant differences. That's what that one you have to know. So the probability of the null hypothesis to happen, if this probability, this significance level, it is the probability, the P. If it is higher than this, then you can accept the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is valid. But if the significance level, if the probability is much less than this 0.05, then you reject the null hypothesis, and you can say your results are significant different. Okay? I hope you can understand what I've said. I'm sorry, my English. Okay, now you can continue here. So no more to adjust. Click OK. Let's have a look if it can work. Okay, if cannot work, okay, it is working. All right, these are the results. You can read like this. This is the number of male being recruited, 7, female 8, and these are their ages. And then this one, the standard deviation. All right. So, okay, what I want to show you now, the ANOVA. All right, ANOVA results. This one, the ANOVA results for the gender. Because we compare now with gender only to the color, so this is the actually one-way ANOVA. This one-way ANOVA result. Okay, it is the significant, as I said, the significant level here is 0.165. 0.165 is much higher than 0.05 that I have just mentioned, the probability of null hypothesis. So this one, the probability here is higher, much higher than 0.05. So that means that the null hypothesis is accepted. It can be accepted. So we reject the significance different. All right. So our result that saying that the gender is not significantly different to the color of the color of the cream cheese. Okay. And then for the age, I want to show you this one, the one-way ANOVA test results here, because comparing to the one independent variable only, which is the age. So if you can see the significance level here, 0.523. which is much higher than 0.05. So that means that our null hypothesis is accepted. So no significant difference between color, the perception of the consumer's level towards the regarding the color, to the there's no significant difference between the color and also to the age of the participants. Okay, that's all from me. If you find it like this one is much lesser than the 0.05, then you can say there is significant level, there is significantly different between the two methods. Okay, like this one the comparing these two independent variables, if there are significantly, their combination is significantly different to the color. This one, as you can see, this one the significant levels. Okay, as you can see, all the their lower boundary and also the upper boundary, there are nothing here is much less than 0.05. So all of this showing that this combination also is not significantly different towards the color. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.